Hey, you can't edit like me.
I'm a joking!
Welcome to Mahadi Hasan Tube channel. In this video I will show you how to edit cinematic tone in Lightroom mobile app. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure 0.10. Contrast down to -80. Highlights to -100. Shadows to +85. Whites to -100. -70 for black. Now go to Curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to Color. Bring the temperature to 10. -30 for tint. +50 for vibrance. Saturation down to -15. Go to Color Mix. First go to Orange color. Hue down to -15. And saturation to +15. +20 for luminance. Go to Yellow. Hue down to -90. -70 for saturation. Luminance to +20. Go to Green color. -100 for hue and saturation. And luminance to -20. Go to Aqua color. -100 for saturation and luminance. Go to Blue color. Hue down to -65 and -60 for saturation. Luminance to +40. And done. Next go to Effect. Clarity to 25. Dehaze to -6. Vigilante to -15. And 15 for midpoint. $80 for feather and 90 for roundness. Now go to Details. Sharpening to 10. Noise reduction to 15. Color noise reduction to 12. And finished. So subscribe to my channel and bell the notification icon to see new photo editing tutorial video. Hope that see you again.